Guess we're gonna get the train out of the way first thing. I'll let you guys look at the box odds here while we wait through that. This train was going fairly slow. Took a while to go past. Hey, Charles. Anyways, here we go. Got 5 of these boxes. I haven't done this break in a while, but decided to get some more boxes and go ahead and run some. Especially with baseball season going on, some of these guys are getting pretty hot, so I think for a fun rip. Should have our 2 Mojo packs and 5 just like base Bowman Chrome packs as well. So let's go ahead and get her started. A lot of traffic out there today. Alright, we got a Justin Dunn rookie for the Mariners, Zach Gallen for the D-backs, Sean Murphy, there's a Luis Robert, and Abraham Toro. So I had 5 rookies out of that box, or out of that pack. That's a good way to start it. Anthony Rendon, Whit Merrifield, Jose Abreu, Josh Bell, and Willie Calhoun. So 5 rookies in the first pack, 5 veterans in the second pack. Well, Anthony Rizzo, he had a strikeout the other day pitching. Ronald Acuna Jr. Got a Zach Collins rookie, the White Sox. Brendan McKay and Rusar Gratterol, the Dodgers. Manny Machado, Blake Snell, Bryce Harper, Cody Bellinger, and Miguel Cabrera. Well, that hit by pitch the other day could have been a whole lot worse for old Bryce Harper. He just about got his hand up there to block it too, but still cracked him upside the nose pretty good. Marcus Semien, Evan Longoria, Austin Meadows. Had a Jordan Yamamoto rookie for the Marlins. And Tony Gonsolin for the Dodgers. Alright. Here's where the business happens. The Mojos. Oh, nice Baron Laura. The Rangers. Tim Cate for the Nationals. Is this a parallel? It is. Number 83. I think it's an 8. Looks like an 8. 83 of 150. Dawn of Glory for the Padres. Mackenzie Gore. The blue in the background's the only way you could tell. That number is kind of hidden there. Shane Baz for the Rays and Keone Cavaco for the Twins. It's not too bad either. See if I can actually get in there. There we go. All right, next Mojo pack. Brennan Malone for the Pirates. Luis Camposano for the Padres. Hassan Diaz, Dawn of Glory. That's not Hassan Diaz. Who is that? Lewin Diaz. Pulled so many Hassan Diaz cards throughout the last few weeks of the Marlins. Little Dawn of Glory insert there. Adonis Medina for the Phillies. And Sean Jelly for the Giants. I'm not sure how to pronounce his last name, actually. I find it hard to keep up with a lot of these guys and how well they're playing, because a lot of them are still in the farm system. Jazz Chisholm seems to have taken off a little bit for the Marlins, I believe. I see a lot of his cards selling and jumping up in price quite a bit lately. All right, box number 2. Zach Gallen, rookie. Sean Murphy. Freddie Freeman. Got Jordan Yamamoto for the Marlins. And Tony Gonsolin. So some familiar faces in that one. Aaron Judge. Xander Bogaerts. Justin Verlander. Buster Posey. And Corey Kluber. Zach Collins, rookie for the White Sox. Justin Dunn. Yusei Kikuchi. Francisco Lindor, he's still on the Indians in this set. JD Martinez. Lindor's had a pretty soft start. I think he's been getting booed. That's what I've been hearing. The Mets have been booing him quite a bit. Matthew Boyd. Eddie Rosario, Rhys Hoskins, Steven Strasburg, and Garrett Cole. Quite a few pitchers. Do we have all pitchers? Oh, we had two hitters there. I don't know, if I was getting booed by umpteen thousand fans, I don't know if that would motivate me or just depress me. Anthony Rizzo, Ronald Acuna Jr., Mike Clevenger, Juan Soto, and Matt Chapman. Some nice ones in there. Alright. Well, this pack feels thick. I don't know if that means we'll have our... Oh, yeah, we got a green in there, it looks like. Rhett Beatty, Mojo for the Mets. There's a Robert Paulson for the Athletics. Our green. Oh, that's a nice one. There we go. Little Christian Pache, 22 of 99. A nice photo there. There you go, Chris. A little bonus knowledge there. I've missed them, I think, before. Got Bo Naylor, Mojo for the Indians, and Jackson Kawar, Mojo for the Royals. Like I said, some of these guys I'm just not super familiar with. I don't know if they're just deep in the farm system or not that talented or what. Or I just don't know what I'm looking at. But yeah, on the Dawn of Glory inserts, they're hard to see. There are some parallels that are even harder. The blue was not too bad, but some of them, like you're out of 25, I don't remember what color that is. Maybe orange, maybe? I don't know. I would imagine that's a little tougher to make out. Geraldo Perdomo for the D-backs. Brandon Marsh for the Angels. Got Ruben Cardenas, Dawn of Glory for the Tampa Bay Rays. Alex Kirilloff, not too bad there for the Twins. I want to say he's injured. Him or some decent prospect for the Twins I thought was injured. And Tristan Casas for the Red Sox. Oh, that would have been nice. Yeah, I thought the Twins had a decent prospect that was injured. I can't remember if it was Kavako or Kirilloff, but I could be totally wrong. It's like Ronald Acuna finally cooled off a little bit. Oh my gosh, they got that thing folded all the way down. There we go. Those cards were never going to get out of there. Yeah, Acuna cooled off. I feel like Luis Roberts kind of upped his game a little bit. People were selling off his stuff pretty early in the year. And of course, Tatis came back pretty hot from his injury, too. Brian Reynolds. Got a Nico Horner rookie for the Cubs. Shogo Akiyama. Eduardo Escobar. Eugenio Suarez. For some reason, I always get Nico and Solak mixed up. So their first names, I guess, and their team colors are similar. But Solak's been playing pretty well. Evan Longoria, Austin Meadows. Got a Bo Bichette rookie for the Blue Jays. Randy Rosarina and Yu Chang for the Indians. Jacob deGrom, that dude is a man beast. Manny Machado, Blake Snell, Paul Goldschmidt, and a Mike Trout. Mike Trout is, I don't know, you would think he couldn't get any better, but what's he batting like? I forget his batting average. I think his OPS is like 1,300 though. Adrian Morejon, rookie for the Padres. There's a Jordan rookie for the Astros. I think he's batting plus 300 or so. Michael Baez, Seth Brown, and there's old San Diaz. Old Dustin May, Nolan Arenado, Mookie Betts, Fernando Tatis, and Vlad Guerrero Jr. Some decent stars on that one. This set is fairly small, so we'll see quite a few duplicates, and except for the Mojos, I think there's quite a few different Mojos you can get. But got Nolan Jones, Mojo for the Indians. Dane Dunning, that's actually not too bad for the White Sox. Got a blue, Jorge Mateo, 20 of 150 for the Athletics. Athletics actually doing pretty good with that Paulson and now short print. Ryan Castellani for the Rockies and Steele Walker for the White Sox. Those uniforms always throw me off for some reason. I like the blues. Especially if it's a team color, like, you know, you're talking about the Royals. If we got a blue, that'd be pretty sick nasty. This one for you will be our first Yankees mojo. Not the best one, but Forrest Whitley mojo for the Astros. Got another Lewin Diaz, Dawn of Glory for the Marlins. Gotta really watch those. Not numbered. Sam Huff. Catcher for the Rangers, not too bad. And Freddie Snova. Mojo for the Astros. I got a couple Astros mojos. I like to be sliding in a Dominguez before it's all said and done tonight. But you just never know. I remember when this stuff first came out. It was Paulson, Bobby Witt, Dominguez was just the major chase. Now some of these guys have kind of proven themselves, and you got a little bit more to choose from. Like I said, that Chisholm kid, he's been playing pretty well. I was looking at some eBay sales of different Bowman Chrome, and his card was selling really frequently here lately, so people are getting a little interested. Bobby Bradley, rookie there. Gleyber Torres. Got a Jesus Luzardo. Athletics. Rustar Gratterol, and another Luis Robert. For your Chicago White Sox. Joey Votto, Salvador Perez, Cody Bellinger, Miguel Cabrera, Jose Abreu. So 5 veteran base cards there. Hyun-Jin Ryu. There's a Nick Solak rookie for the Rangers. Talked about him a little bit ago. Andres Munoz for the Padres. Tony Gonsolin and Brendan McKay. Got 2 or 3 Gonsolins tonight. I'll get in there eventually. LC's rookie for the White Sox. Alex Young. Got a Trey Mancini. Dan Vogelbach. And Bryce Harper. That Padres-Dodgers series, I didn't actually watch the live games. I watched highlights every night, but that was one of the better baseball series I've seen in a long time, just for the sheer entertainment of it. Keston Hiura, Pete Alonso, Yadier Molina, Freddie Freeman, and Jordan Yamamoto, second or third rookie of him tonight. I can't hardly sit down and watch 9 innings of baseball on the television. I can in real life. Like, I don't mind going to a game and watching with some friends or family, but those highlights were pretty entertaining. Luis Patino, Padres, Elihuris Montero. Maybe the first card there for the Cardinals. I think we have an auto here. Matthew Lugo. He's got a nice look at his signature. For the Red Sox. Don't know much about this cat, but anytime you get a Bowman Chrome auto, that's pretty decent. Dalton Varsho for the D-backs. And Yusniel Diaz for the Orioles. Nice. Just the base auto, no numbers or anything, but it's always nice to see an auto. You just never know. Just never know with these boxes. I think it's like a 1 out of 9 or something for an auto. 1 out of 9 boxes. Another Brett Beatty for the Mets. Oh, we might have got a duplicate pack here. Robert Paulson. We saw him a little bit ago. Kinsey Gore, Dawn of Glory. Maybe not. Matthew Liberatore, Mojo for the Cardinals, and Jackson Rutledge for the Nationals. Still haven't found that Bobby Witt, though. Really need a Volpe or Dominguez here at the end. That top loader sound like it cracked. Well, it looks fine. Can't trust these top loaders nowadays. They're making them as fast as they can because there's such a short supply. I've gotten like 2s and 3s just wadded together, like still stuck together. They didn't cut. Alright, last box here. I'd like to see something super exciting, like a super short print auto. I'm going to look at the back of the box again real quick. They have image variation autographs in here. Regular autograph is 1 out of 9 boxes, so, or 1 out of 9 packs, excuse me. So we have 10 Mojo packs in here. We've got a little over a 1-in-1 shot of getting one, but that doesn't always happen. Charlie Blackmon, Keston Hiura, Pete Alonso, Michael Baez rookie for the Padres, and Seth Brown for the Athletics. Austin Meadows, Anthony Rizzo, Francisco Lindor, JD Martinez, and Freddie Freeman. Dang, that is pretty nuts. 3 autos would definitely beat my record. I think we pulled 2 a couple times, but 3, that's a great break. Zach Gallen, Sean Murphy, Dustin May, Eduardo Escobar, and Eugenio Suarez. Yeah, it's a really good break. One of the best breaks of baseball I ever had was Topps Chrome 8 hangers we did like probably a month ago. Xander Bogaerts, Justin Verlander. There's our first Gavin Lux, Lindor, and JD Martinez. Oh, he got the cover boy. That's crazy. But yeah, like about a month ago we did 8 Topps Chrome hanger boxes. And we pulled 5 numbered cards. One of them I believe was an auto. And we had 2 other separate autos. And a negative out of 8 boxes. Hanger boxes nonetheless. Rhys Hoskins, Aaron Judge. There's a Kyle Lewis rookie. We're slowly trickling in some of the needed cards. Aquino for the Reds. And Trey Mancini. I'm pretty sure that was what it was. I think it was like 1 negative, 5 numbered cards. One of them was an auto. and then 2 separate base autos. Alright, here we go. Last Mojo packs for us. Hopefully we can help out some various teams that haven't hit anything, and also get a nice big card here. DL Hall, Corbin Carroll. Got a Dawn of Glory, Gus Varland. This is another one of those blues. Looks like 142 of one. Jeez, that's so hard to read. 142 of 150. Ethan Hearn for the Cubs, and Tanner Hoke for the Red Sox. Let's just double up right here. We'll go Bobby Witt, Dominguez, Sixto Sanchez, Debbie Garcia, Giselle De La Cruz, Dawn of Glory for the Braves, Jeremiah Jackson, and William Contreras for the Braves. Man, no Bobby Witt, no Dominguez. Heck, we didn't even pull a oh shoot, mine just went blank. I can't even remember his name now. It's because we didn't pull him. Wander Franco. Wow. #1 prospect in the league. Can't remember his name. We usually pull a Wander Franco of some sort. All right, we got Luis Robert, rookie. Yoni Kabako, Mojo. Mackenzie Gore, blue Dawn of Glory there. That one's numbered to 150. Baron Laura, Mojo. Luis Camposano. Christian Pache, 22 of 99. Green, that was nice. Robert Paulson, Mojo. Alex Sherloff, Mojo. Tristan Casas, Mojo. We got a Bo Bichette, rookie. Randy Rosarina, rookie. Jordan Alvarez, rookie. Jorge Mateo out of 150. Number 20 out of 150 for the Athletics. Athletics did all right with the different cards they got. Dane Dunning, Mojo. Sam Huff, Mojo. Esteban Florio, Mojo. Fredis Nova, Mojo. We got Luis Robert. Nick Solak. Our auto was Matthew Lugo. Just a base auto there for the Red Sox. Jackson Rutledge, Mojo. Robert Paulson, Mojo. We got a Gavin Lux, rookie. Kyle Lewis, rookie. And our last numbered card was Gus Varland, 142 out of 150, Dawn of Glory. I got quite a few other Mojos and rookie cards over there. I'll get those sleeved. Some of them I'll top load as well. But I do appreciate you guys jumping in. I've got a few more of these breaks available in the closet, and I'll post them periodically. I've got quite a bit of a different type of product, and I like to try to mix it up because I know some people like some things and not others. So you might see one of these once a week for a few more weeks, and we'll have at it. See if we can find some more autos. You guys take it easy. Have a good evening and a good weekend. We'll see you later.